Houses of Parliament. Into 10 Downing Street. The photo of the statue of Churchill. Westminster Parliament. Yes, this is the Westminster, the old telephone booths London is famous for, and the London bus. Some World War II. The Parliament Street. The memorial maintained right in the middle of the street. Memorial of the dead of old soldiers. Yeah, हवा चल रही है ना, at least it's nice because otherwise it will be very hot. Downing Street, home of the Prime Minister, and right in front you can see people are protesting. So this is where our Prime Minister resides. The World War II, dedicated to the women, acknowledging their sacrifices. Field Marshal Commander-in-Chief of the British Armies in France, 1915-18. We are going towards Piccadilly and Trafalgar Square. So guys, everything is nearby. So as soon as you come out of Waterloo Station, you can walk. It's about 10-15 minutes walk, and so everything is nearby. Well connected city. Cavalry Guards is a museum. Commander-in-Chief of the British Army, 1856 to 1895, and you can see the Trafalgar Square in the distance. So look at this beautiful building. This building is probably at least 500 to 600 years old. The cafes and pubs, people really enjoying the day out today. Schools have broken up, so it's a lot of children with their parents. This is the Nelson's column in the distance,